Kind of windy out here. Come out and say hi to the boys. Hi, buddy. Hey, Norman. How are you, baby? Hi, buddies. What are you doing? What are you doing? Is you a pretty boy? Is that a pretty boy? Hi, buddy. Hey. What are you doing? Nibble, nibble, nibble. Nibble, 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 nibble. Nibble, nibble. No. No. What's the matter? Jealous? Come on, Jelly. Come in. Come on, Jelly. Come on, Guster. Come. It's so windy, but it feels good out. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, no. Argument. This is just a donkey argument. Every day. Hello. Oh, hi. What's up, bud? Let's walk down here. Y'all got a lot of stuff going on there. Come on. Come down here. Come on. What's happening? What's happening? To you. Oh, oh, oh. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. What's up? Hi. Let me see. Let me see. Hi. Come on. Back over and say hi. Oh, 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 oh. Quit doing that. He doesn't bite. He just tries to grab you. Don't use his teeth or anything. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Oh my gosh. Alright. Just hanging with the boys for a few. Y'all want a snack? Stupid question, right? Stupid question. Stupid question.